To change display font size in your Windows 11, right-click anywhere in the blank area of your desktop. From these options, click on Display Settings. Now in this window, locate this option Scale. Under Scale and Layout, click here. In the next page, click on Text Size. Now adjust the font size using this toggle. Drag this toggle to right side to increase the font size and then click Apply. Now if you want to decrease the font size, once again go to the same location, right click over here. From these options, click on Display Settings. From here, click on Scale, then Text Size. Drag the toggle to left to decrease the font size. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by itech Tips.